So this is how you can fix Java exception having an occurred problem. So this problem might come with an outdated Java. And how do we fix that? Well, we can just simply download a new Java version. Well, you can go on ahead and scroll down until you find Java downloads. So basically, this is an archive for all of the Java versions, and here is how you can download them. So here are the versions, different versions of Java or Java SE that you can download. It even shows you the types of Java over here. And if you don't like the Java SE, you could always use these: Graal VM, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. And if you find the version that suits you or the one that you like, you can go on ahead and click on it, and it's going to immediately start downloading to your downloads on your browser. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All you need is a new Java, and the occurring problem will disappear. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.